Hi, I'm Kirsty Cullen, registered nutritional therapist at the Optimum Health Clinic. In this video, I'm going to share why cinnamon is so beneficial when it comes to blood glucose and cholesterol management. Cinnamon is a simple spice with real health benefits. In fact, it's demonstrated in research that clever cinnamon can actually support a decrease in our LDL and total cholesterol levels, improving our cholesterol status overall. And there's more. Cinnamon is also shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood glucose levels, therefore improving your blood glucose balance too. Now, keeping both cholesterol and blood glucose in a healthy range is key when it comes to minimizing your risk of chronic disease, making cinnamon a powerhouse nutrient. So here is a lovely way to incorporate cinnamon into a breakfast option that is focused on supporting blood glucose and cholesterol balance. So we take 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, a tablespoon of flax seeds, a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 10 blueberries. This brilliant breakfast will offer around 30 grams of protein, which is also a superb way to stabilise blood glucose levels, and 15 grams of fibre, which also helps to reduce cholesterol. And if you like, you can squeeze a little honey on for added sweetness. I hope you found this video helpful. Do follow the Optimum Health Clinic for more content like this.